Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a DIY toothpaste, okay? All natural DIY toothpaste. Only few ingredients you're gonna need. So first of all, I have in here a little bit, as you see, I have in here bicarbonate soda, a baking soda, which helps to eliminate a bad smell and it helps to clean your teeth as well. Just to keep in mind that bicarbonated soda as well, it can damage your enamel, so use it a very little bit of it. In here I have 1 part of bicarbonated soda, and the next ingredient I have in here, I have 4 parts of Kaolin Clay. Kaolin Clay, it's a white clay full of minerals. It's very safe to use and it is very effective in cleaning and polishing. It's cleaning and polishing agent, so yes. As well, together with bicarbonate soda, I have in here a little pinch of fine pink Himalayan sea salt. So we're mixing all of this together. Okay, I tried to mix it. So just a little bit of bicarbonated soda. Try it what I did: 4 parts of Kaolin Clay, 1 part of bicarbonated soda, literally a little pinch of fine pink Himalayan sea salt. And now what I'm gonna do, just gonna try to make it a paste. So I will use a fractionated coconut oil and like a little drops of the fractionated coconut oil, and try it to mix it and to make it like a paste. Okay, you can use any other carrier oil if you don't have it, fractionated coconut oil, or you don't want to use a coconut oil. Okay, it's getting thicker now. So I got like a little paste here. To this, I'm just gonna add some essential oils, like for 5 drops of each. So I choose the tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is literally #1 essential oil for your oral care because it has the antimicrobial properties and it kills the bacteria. So I will add 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. Okay. And I have chosen to use the oregano essential oil. I really love the smell of oregano essential oil and the taste. It reminds me of some food, pizza, you know, and it's really good for your oral care. I'm gonna add 5 drops of this as well. Oregano has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces the bacteria and it has antifungal as well properties. And I'm just gonna mix it all together. Oh, I love the smell of oregano essential oil. So if you are not a fan of the peppermint essential oil or spearmint, which most of the toothpaste and mouthwashes will have it, so do give a try to the oregano essential oil because I really like it. And it's really good for your oral care, as I mentioned before. And yeah, when everything is mixed, you see it's like in this nice soft paste. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna transfer it into my container now, and that's the toothpaste done. Of course, you can use some people using another clay, bentonite clay, or you can add some charcoal as well to this, the whitening agent. But sort of be careful with the charcoal because it can damage your enamel as well, just like baking soda. And yeah, another essential oils to use, there is so many essential oils, but only few of them it's good to use for your oral care. So it will be, of course, as I said, peppermint, spearmint, clove essential oil has a lot of benefits for your oral care. Thyme essential oil, which probably will be very similar to oregano, which have a very strong distinctive smell and flavor. And of course, a cinnamon. I don't have a cinnamon essential oil here with me, So but when I will get it, definitely I will try to do my toothpaste with cinnamon, because I just love cinnamon. And cinnamon, it's really good. It has like antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal properties, so many. So yeah, let's transfer it. Great, let's transfer it now into container. So yeah, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what essential oils do you like to use in your own homemade natural toothpaste. And I see you next week. Bye.